Hey, it's Kay Lowry, and we are here to talk about My Muscle Builder, Book 3, and we're going to practice some exercises on page 10 and 11. So, the first thing we're going to do is work on our thumbs. So, a lot of times, what happens with piano students is their thumb goes flat. Their thumb goes flat, their pinky goes flat. Let me show you. When your thumb goes flat, you play like this. And so what I'd like you to do is what I call thumbs up and get your hand to look like this. It's kind of tricky. So when your thumb goes down, if you can just say to yourself, thumbs up, and come into this position, eventually you'll get stronger. So what we're doing on this first page is playing with our right hand, and we'll play C, D, E, F. Check your thumb to see what it looks like. You'll want it to be like this. C, D, E, F. And you'll want to make sure it's up and not down. Up. So, first thing you'll be doing is you'll be playing C, D, E, F 5 times. Play it 5 times with the thumb under. And then you'll start your metronome at 60 beats a minute. When you do that, let me get mine going here. Then you'll play your whole scale, your right hand going up 3 times. It'll look like this. Try it with me. One more time. Nice. Then when you have done that all the way through, you can color one of these sneaky octopuses on this page. Every time you do this page, you'll color another sneaky octopus. Let's go on to page 11, where we're going to do our left hand. The left hand, we're going to start with the thumb and train it by doing the same exercise. 1, 2, 3, thumb. We're going to be watching for thumbs up, and we'll be playing from the top of the scale going down like this. C, B, A, G. Make sure your thumb is up and not down. Let's do that again 4 more times. After you do that, you'll come back and start your metronome, and then you'll get ready to play your C major scale backwards 3 times with the metronome. Here we go. Get ready. Get your thumb in position. From the top going down, watch your thumb. Here we go. Again. Again. After you have played it 3 times and turned your metronome off, Then you can go back and color a sneaky octopus. How many octopuses do you have left to color? You have 4 more octopuses, so this whole page you will do 4 more times. I hope you have fun playing your muscle builder exercises and getting your thumb in the right place.